Work smarter with Claude. Automation, MCP, skills, productivity. Watch the full session now.
Okay, so welcome back, and here we have already discussed on the major of the Claude projects, Claude products which are there in the market. We will be discussing more around because we are not yet done. We have a lot of more products of Claude, but those were the major ones. Some other products of Claude which we have. Let's see. So Claude Dispatch is one product which we have, and Claude Dispatch is majorly like your having your Cowork in your desktop and being able to control that Claude in your desktop via your mobile device. That is what exactly how I describe Claude Dispatch. So let me see if I can have a small demonstration of this. Okay, so yes, so you can see this is so it's an mobile device and it's an iPad. So here you have this dispatch feature over here, and dispatch says reach your desktop from your pocket. So basically from your phone you can connect to your desktop. And how do you do this? It will just pair with the desktop. My desktop is right here, so it will definitely pair. And even though I'm sitting somewhere out of the city, I'm out station, but still I can connect to my Claude in my desktop through my mobile device. So that is how I can do that. Okay, so that is around this Claude desktop thing which we have. Okay, perfect. So this was the Claude Dispatch, which is a this is also launched in last maybe November 26 around that the Claude Dispatch was launched, that through the mobile device you can reach out to your desktop. Okay, so next is coming that's the Claude Dispatch. So next is Claude Routines. So when we talk of Claude Routines, which are this is more around scheduling your activity, scheduling your particular work and getting that work done in that particular time. So we have scheduled over here. So all these things you can have in Claude, that every day 8 a.m. do this research on AI, because I see that every day AI tool is growing. So do this research and mail it to me. So suppose you have done your connectors and all you have, and you add this particular task to it, and you add all those connectors, plugins, skills, all those things you have added, MCP servers that connect all these things, and run this particular activity every day. So that you can do by using the scheduled function. And this is one of a good, not a feature but a separate product, I believe. Routines, either it's called routines or scheduled. Okay, so in either way you can also create a new task and create with Claude or set up manually. All these things you can do that every day, what time to trigger and all those things. Okay, and second is Anthropic Academy. This is basically a basic thing that if you want to know about Claude products and all, then you have Anthropic Academy, which helps you to achieve that. So this is Claude Academy or Anthropic Academy. This is how you can know about Claude and all its other products. So these are the major tools around Claude, and one the major product which I say, which is primarily for the developers or the organizations who are heavily AI driven. So that's the Claude Console. So Claude Console is basically having that accessing Claude via the console itself and not having any interface. That's a black window, just like having this CMD typed, having this window, and this window will be the only way to access Claude, and through this you will be giving your commands and doing everything around that. Okay, so this is the Claude Console, and there mostly this is there or used by under the Teams plan or an organization plan, and that is where it has the, I showed you the users analytics which we have, that which employee is doing how much token, how many lines of code were accepted, all these things you can track. Okay, that how many lines of code were accepted and how many of those things were correct and how many things were not accepted. So I'll just try to show you if I am able to show you the uses. The lines of code accepted. Yeah, this was exactly I wanted to show. So if you look at suppose last month, if I see, then how many suggestions rate acceptance. So what was the suggestions given by Claude and how much? So it's 100%. Like my developer has not used his brain at all. He has accepted 100% of the suggestions given by the AI, and lines of code 282. So similarly, we can have like multiple dates, durations. You can have all these thing, and this is all through the organization's account usually. Okay, through the API keys, which as I showed you, the API keys are there, and through the API keys we we access all those things. So admin control, you get an admin control, basically that how do you want things to be shown. So like here you can create an API key, you can see dashboard of who is using what, and all those things you can access via this particular console. And this is a very like a good feature. Okay, if you are giving Claude access to your employees and you want to see that how much employees using and for how much tokens they are using each person wise. So this is one team or enterprise account. As I have already told, the difference between teams is for those not having a proper structure but working 5-10 people in a group, and add enterprise account for those who are a proper organization structure. The one I was showing is an organization account for our company. So SSA, SSO and all these things are also there. Audit logs are there, data retention policies are there, agreements are there. So that DPDP Act, which I usually talk about a lot, DPDP Act compliance. If you want to become DPDP Act compliant uh, organization, then the AI which you use must be having a DP agreement signed. And under Claude, if you're using Claude, then that comes under the organization plan under the zero data retention ZDR policy, which it has. So now again, some important routines link is there, so you can always have these links and get more about it. So with this, I guess we have covered the entire products of Claude which we have all together. And in the next video, now we'll be starting more interesting stuff, will be more practical thing and around memory management, that how do we manage our memory, how not our memory but our Claude's memory. So that's what we'll be looking. So see you in the next videos.